You're petting a bumblebee.
I'm petting a bumblebee.
Can I pet a bumblebee?
Yeah, sure.
Wow.
Oh, usually if you don't, if you're not aggressive,
Wow.
this is not a bumblebee here that's hovering around me. This is a wasp.
Okay, and that's a wasp. So we are figuring out which bees are bumblebees. Bumblebees are honeybees, is that correct?
No, bumblebees
No.
are around a hive. It's more like a nest.
So bumblebees have a nest that's often underground, and they, which is near the hive. The nest is the hive?
Yeah, they just don't like
is
create hives in the same way that honeybees do.
Oh, so bumblebees and honeybees have different hives. And what you're saying is we just pet a bumblebee.
Yeah.
Okay. And do bumblebees make honey as well?
No.
Okay, so only honeybees make honey.
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. And now we're going to figure out which bees are wasps and which bees are honeybees or bumblebees, because I don't know that, so it would be nice to learn. Here we go. This came out of the hive today. Okay.
And they'll come to it. Everything will, because it's so sweet.
Mm-hmm.
What it's attracting mostly now is wasps.
Mm-hmm. So that little one over there is a wasp.
Yeah, and then it's next to a bumblebee.
That's next to a bumblebee. So we don't see the honeybee right here.
The honeybee, maybe there's one back there. They usually have little jackets also, like the bumblebee, but they're much smaller.
Oh, okay. So honeybees are smaller than bumblebees, but they still look like bumblebees and smaller, and they don't
have
look like
stripes
wasps.
Also. We can see a honeybee over here.
So we're approaching the beehive right now. This is the honeybee hive.
See how they're so much smaller? They look a little bit like a wasp and a little bit like a bumblebee.
Okay, now I see. So basically, it looks like a bumblebee. It has stripes. It's yellow, but it doesn't have that big black spot on it like the bumblebee had. Okay. And if it lands on me, it's just trying to figure out if I'm a flower, and it's not trying to sting me. So I just make sure to stay still and stay calm. And so this is what honeybees look like at Terra Perma. And we just saw wasps, honeybees, and bumblebees. And officially, honeybees are the only ones that make honey. Now I know. And the last note for today about honeybees is that they can only sting you once because they need their stinger. And if they sting you, they have to literally rip it off of their bodies to sting you and then to let go. So they die, but wasps can sting multiple times. So those are really who you want to watch out for. And honeybees will be less interested in stinging unless they really feel threatened. So here you have the honeybees, and on bottom over down there and on the left you have a wasp, and these two are honeybees right there. So now we get a bit of a better picture. And the honeycomb was delicious. And that's more about bees for you.